Oh, this is cool. I know it's this for I can go in or I can go up. Well, let's try. Whoops. If someone is gonna find me here, I don't know what I'm gonna say. Oops. Oh, wow. This is nice. This is really cool. Wow. Just the floor is slippery. I don't even know how I'm gonna go down now because it's quite slippery everywhere. Oops. This is cool. Wow. So nice, so nice, so nice. Here, let me see if I'm going in this side slowly, slowly to don't fall. But I'm gonna fall. Oops, 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 oops. It's really slippery. I don't even know what I'm gonna see if someone is gonna find me here. Someone already saw me coming up. But it looks like nobody here. I mean, there's some lights inside, but I don't know. Can't see anyone. But it looks really amazing from here. And my hand is really frozen. Goodness. Let's put it in. Oh, someone is here. Oh, nice.
Yes.
Ah, I was thinking everything is so slippery now.
Yeah, it was really slippery.
Oops. Thank you.
Some lights and stuff.
Sure.
Yeah, so we opened the restaurant in the 1st of February.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So, but it has been a restaurant before. So
Yes.
we put out some lights.
Oh, this is really nice.
It is really nice. It is really, really nice. It's pretty unique.
Oh. Oh, this is amazing. Nice restaurant. This is really cool. No, thanks.
Coffee or something?
No, thanks. I was just coming out to see everywhere around. It's really nice.
You just moved.
Oh, this was really cool, and I found a new way to go out, smaller one. And the guy was really, really nice and kind. So yeah, I think the ship was here for a long time, and they are trying now to decorate it, to do it nice, as I understood from what he said. So yeah, he's like this all the time, every day. He invited me to come over anytime, and yeah, next time when he said when I'm coming here in holidays, the restaurant is gonna work and the ship is gonna work too. So they were gonna maybe they were gonna stay here like a normal restaurant, or they were gonna just go sometimes and after come back from on the sea. So yeah. No, but this is really, really nice. It was my first time going in a ship. Wow, this was really amazing.